Today we're decorating in my dining area for spring. We're going to do some shelf styling and a nice tablescape. Let's get started. Before we start decorating, I like to set the mood with a candle. This candle is from the Kalamazoo Candle Company. I got it at a little boutique near my home, and it smells wonderful. I've had this wreath up here on the wall. It's just hung with a command hook. It was always meant to be temporary. I wanted to do something more permanent. So I purchased a plate holder and I've changed it out to my Currier and Ives plate here. And I think it looks really nice with the black. Again, it's the white and blue and black theme I've been looking for. I may change the sconces out to something smaller. These are just $5 sconces that I DIY'd. Here are the items I have gathered to decorate my black shelf today. I really wanted to make it pretty for the springtime and bring in those blues that I love so much. I have some vintage items, I have some new items, and I have some items that I use functionally often. On top of my shelf, I have this vintage basket. At Christmas time, I had greenery in it. I did try to put some pretty spring florals in it, but I actually felt like it made the shelf look top heavy, so I've left it intentionally empty here.
I met an old man. I said, tell me your story. He took out an old pen and wrote something for me. Then he kept walking on down the road, and I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked down at what he wrote. It said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers and you'll find what you've got. Searching for glory. I took out an old pen and wrote in my story. Then I kept walking on down the road. When your time is up, it's time to go. I pray he reads what's on the note and takes to heart what I wrote. I said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers and you'll find
I'm pretty happy with the way this turned out. I just purchased that chinoiserie vase up at the top from Amazon. I can link that below if you're interested. I'm just loving my sugar mold there that has my little eggs in it, a little nod to the upcoming holiday. Of course, you saw the last time I did trays, actually it was the video before last time I did trays. I did switch out the vase and the flowers there to go. I just think it goes a little bit better with the theme I have here. I also added in my little gravy boat there. That is a vintage piece that I have. And then I tucked the towel over my brie baker. I just thought it looked a little more finished that way. Okay, now we are moving on to our tablescape. I'm going to put down my runner here. That was a gift from my son. And I also have some really pretty dishes and napkins I'm really excited to use today that I found at Home Goods last week. I decided to anchor the two sides by putting my bunny salt and pepper shaker at one end and my butter dish at the other. We do tend to sit at the table like this rather than having the chairs on the ends. So this is how I do the tablescape. Obviously, you could move the chairs to each end. I'm really happy with the way this turned out. I'm just loving the blue dishes and the green napkins. And also I think it looks really nice and complements this centerpiece here. These eggs I purchased at a local boutique. They were only like $1.50 a piece. I think somebody DIY'd them. And then of course I've got my little salt and pepper shakers there. I want to point out over here in the corner that I have this DIY egg that I made last week. I can link that video for you in case you're interested. I went to the store and I really was looking for a picture to hang here. I thought it would be nice to have like a still life. I did pick up one at Target. I put it back because it just, again, trying to stay with my theme, I decided that it wasn't going to work. So I will continue to look for a picture to hang there. I was determined to get a picture of the whole area. I don't think I've ever done that before. But this is opposite my kitchen. I actually don't decorate my kitchen, still have a lot of work to do there. So eventually, though, I would love to share that with you. So I hope you enjoyed the video today. I haven't done a tablescape in a really long time, and I really enjoyed it. I'm loving the greens and the blues together. And let me know in the comments what kind of a tablescape you're planning on doing for the upcoming holiday. Let me know. I'd love to know what you are planning on doing. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, here's another one right here for you in case you're interested. Please leave a comment and let me know what you think, or just like this video if it gave you some kind of value today. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Happy Easter to you, and I will see you next time. Bye now.